Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be trying the British Airways World Traveler Plus seat on their A380. I'll be flying from London Heathrow to San Francisco International Airport. Sorry, but I forgot to film the security checkpoint. So while I explain what happened there, here's a time lapse of the same security checkpoint that I went through at Heathrow. So while going through security, for some unknown reason, they made everyone move to the other side of the terminal to a new security checkpoint. No reason was given, so we just moved it. Then when I put my bag in the scanner, it got pulled, and so did every bag my family brought. It ended up being some magnets that were inside my bag that set the alarm off, but overall the security was a bit of a mess, unorganized, and again, no explanation was given for being moved. After security, I took a short train ride to my gate. And then I saw the plane that would be taking me all the way to San Francisco. After I arrived at my gate, I boarded the plane, and I was on the second level. The World Traveler Plus cabin on the A380 is a 2-3-2 configuration for seating. After sitting down, the flight attendant offered me a drink. I had a choice between orange juice and water. Once the pre-flight beverage service finished, I was handed a menu for the meals I'll be having for the flight. The seatbelt sign was turned on, and it was time to taxi to the runway. While taxiing, I saw an old Concorde. Once we were at our cruising altitude, I decided to watch a movie. The movie selections were not that great, and the screen, you could tell, has not been updated since the A380 was delivered to British Airways, but it was okay. Pretzels and a beverage were offered before the in-flight meal service started. Around 1 hour into the flight, meal service started. I had the chicken curry and rice, and it came with a chocolate cake, a salad, and of course chicken curry and rice, but also some cheese and crackers. The meals were cleared, and it was time to land. Here's a video of the A380 landing at SFO. That's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed.